Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the join action in Power Automate Flow. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, log into your Power Automate account using your credentials. This will give you access to all the automation tools and features you need to create your flow. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard. On the left side of the screen, locate and click on the Create option. This will open up a menu with different flow templates and options. From this menu, click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow is perfect when you want to trigger an automation manually rather than on a schedule or specific event. Next, you'll see several trigger options appear. Click on Manually Trigger a Flow. This means you'll be able to run your automation whenever you choose, giving you full control over when it executes. Once you've selected this trigger, click the Create button to set up your new flow. Now you'll be taken to the Flow Editor where you can start building your automation. Look for the plus icon, which allows you to add new actions to your flow. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Data Operations. This category contains various actions that help you manipulate and transform data within your flows. From the Data Operations menu, click on Join. The join action is designed to take an array of items and combine them into a single text string. This is incredibly useful when you need to merge multiple pieces of data into one readable format, such as creating comma-separated lists or formatting output for emails and reports. In the From field, you'll need to input your array data. This is the collection of items you want to combine. For example, if you have an array of names, numbers, or any other list of values, you would enter that array here. The join action will process each item in this array. Next, move to the Join with field. This is where you specify what character or string you want to use to separate each item in your final output. For example, if you want your items separated by commas, simply input a comma followed by a space like this, comma. You could also use other separators like semicolons, hyphens, or even custom text, depending on how you want your final string to look. Once you've configured both fields, the join action will take your array and add the separator you chose between each item. For instance, if your array contains apple, banana, orange, and you use a comma as the separator, the output will be apple, banana, orange. This creates a clean, readable string from your array data. And that's it. You've successfully set up the join action in your Power Automate flow. Now you can click the Save button to save your automation, and whenever you're ready, you can run it manually to see the results. If this video helps you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.